In our research, unemployment, which was like the major factor in determining what the number of families in poverty per 1,000 is. So if you want to solve the number of families in poverty, our research shows that you should just improve the unemployment rate, because we ran a SAS output based solely on the value of poverty against unemployment rate, and we came up with an adjusted R-squared of 71%. So as you can see, poverty is by far the biggest, or unemployment rate is by far the biggest determining factor in the number of families in poverty per 1,000. So that's our data. Anything you want to add? No? Any questions?
What years did your data cover?
Our data covered a span of 35 years, from 1973 to 2007. So, anything else?
Yes, yes. You know, I mean, so 4 significant variables, right?
Yes.
Three of them have no surprises, you know, in terms of the direction, right? Positive,
Yeah.
negative.
Yeah.
But interesting number of kids. I mean, why do you think? I mean, U.S. government should encourage families to have more kids. That will lower the poverty, right?
Well, just because it's correlated doesn't mean there's causality there. So just because the number of kids per family, it might be an inverse relationship. So when poverty is lower, people say, hey, we have more money, let's have more kids. It could be an inverse correlation, or it just could be a weird significance that, you know, popped up over the past 35 years. We could have expanded our data set to get a more accurate picture of that. But just because the number of kids goes up doesn't mean that it necessarily causes poverty to go down. It just means that they're correlated. So, did that answer your question? Okay. Anybody else?